What are you doing? You just made it last week.
I give it away.
You're giving it away? Don't tell your fans that. They're going to want to come over.
No, I'll give it to...
Your friends?
My friend.
Nice.
I'll make 2 batch.
2 batch. What kind of pasta?
I'm going to make fettuccine and I'm going to make spaghetti.
Okay.
I put them in the freezer though.
All right. So you're going to cut it?
Daniel.
Yeah.
I don't have to use my hands anymore. So look at this.
No way. Woo. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that.
That's a 1 pass.
1 pass.
Now I'm going to do the second one.
All right. Oh, it's fat. Oh. Make it nice and long. All right, we got the second pass done. Now we make the spaghetti.
Then we put the cheese.
So easy. Look at that.
I like it. It's time to eat. Why not so bad? All right.
Wow, que belle.